Well, hello, y'all. Yep, here we are back again with the Brian Bus Adventure. But today is not quite about the Brian's Bus. Today is something else. We have so many projects going on, as you may or may not know. We are completely remodeling our house. We're completely remodeling the bus, and we're completely redoing all of our landscaping around this house that we just bought. So bear with us. And today, again, not quite about the bus, but it is about us being busy. And remember to share and like and subscribe to the Brian's Bus Adventure. And again, I hope you like this. A little bit different, but it's still us. It's still us being busy. So we'll talk to you real soon. Have a good day. Well, here we go, y'all. Here is what's happening in the Brian's household this week. We are having new flooring put in. And this is a 3/4 inch hardwood floor, which is something most people don't do anymore, but we're doing it because we like it. We like the color. We like the texture of it. This is what it looks like. It's just long, different strips, different pattern. I don't want to say a different pattern because it's not a different pattern. It's just, there we go, some lights. This is the bedroom. Of course, you can see the bed and everything is still, not made back up again. But here's what they have done so far. And this is into the bathroom. And we have to move the washer dryer back out again so we can do the wall behind that, sheetrock that. And then when they took the vanity or the sink out on this side, did a little bit of wall, scarring up, I guess is the way to put it. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to take that and take a piece of Luan that we bought yesterday. And yesterday, when we went to the store, we got the Luan to cover up that pipe right there, of course, right there. It's going to be gone. That was the old vent for the old sink that used to be there. But the new sink will now be on this side. This is where the sink's going to go in. This will be the pocket door. It's going to go in there. Then there will be another door that will be the pocket door, excuse me. The other door that I'm talking about will be going into this closet here. And that will be nice. And we're going to make 3 or 4 shelves in that closet. And then we'll have, of course, a door going into this bedroom. That will be put in. And then there's going to be a new door put here. This was the old trailer house door. Now it's just falling apart. So we have to go out and buy a 32-inch door with door jambs and everything. And then they would be putting that in here a little bit later. But again, that's what we're doing today. The Brian household. Hope you enjoy it. So we do stuff in addition to the bus.